cool, isn't it? Let me teach you how we did it in CSS and JavaScript. So here, this part here, the keyframes, which control the animation from 0 to the left, 100% to the left, that means moving to the right. Then here the div, the input, the head, we control the colors, the borders, everything about it. Then after that here, we come to the JavaScript part here, which, control if the input length is less than 1, the password is less than 1, then add animation. Otherwise, remove the animation. Then here we control the animation itself to move. If the button controls it, contains it, then add it, then remove it again. Here, which we add, like if the cursor goes over the mouse, then we add the animation. This part here is the HTML part here, which contains the email, the password, the button. You want to learn more?